First, I put the glue down. Of course, there's glue already in there. I'm making my name now. I made Egypt's name. Now we're making mommy's name. I'm making mommy's name now. At first, she did this. This is a cute little nature craft time. Making your name, making letters, numbers. So today we're making our name. And like I said, the glue is already down there, so we don't have to keep gluing. Okay, I made my S. And she just dumped all of them right there. So that's her little masterpiece, helping me out. Now mommy's making her name C, S-E-A.
A.
And S,
A.
E,
E.
A,
A.
C. That's how you say mommy's name, C. L-C Josh to be exact. But it's only gonna let me do, it's only gonna be room for S-E-A. See? Here, put some more of those down there. Put some more of these beans. These are gangu beans from the tree. And then I got these little seed things from the tree. And then we took them out of there. Yeah, hey, not all of them, but that's okay. That's okay. Can't really see it in depth, but put a little flower right there. Look, I put my flower right there on my name. With the hands. See, look. A. This Egypt did that one by herself. And I made us some new things. Just gotta wait till it dry. See? And then Egypt, E-G-Y-P-T. So this is our nature craft time of the day. We made our names out of seeds, beans, leaves, and the only thing that wasn't made out of well, everything is made out of nature though.
Beans.
This is the only thing, the glue. So everything else we can find in nature, and then the only supplies you need to get is some glue. Everything else you can find some seeds, some grains. You can do this with little bitty rocks. So whatever you find in nature, it can get utilized into beautiful creations. You can put this on a wall. You can even probably put some tape over it, or to better hold it and put it on a wall or in your notebook. Yeah, C and each. I might do some extra stuff to it in a little while, just for the fun of it. Put some other stuff in there that we find. But yeah, how did you like our craft time? You had fun? Fun! Yay! High five! Give me a high five. Yay! Good job.
Restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and/or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey.